In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Libscepad.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we have to check is the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser, any of the browser that will do. Search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right click on the folder. Select extract all. Click on extract. Then copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Locate the System32 folder. Here it is. Then right click and then select paste. Okay? And then once done, just also right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So, that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.